Hi everybody, welcome back to My Family Taxi. Today I'm going to make a very special recipe what everybody likes here, especially my kids. When we go to McDonald's, my kids love to order chili cheese bites and we always order them outside. So I decided to do it one day at home and it came out so well. So that's my special recipe for the chili cheese bites and it comes out so good. The ingredients to make this recipe is very easy to get at any local grocery stores. I just got them all in Tesco, so I wanted to show you how simple it is, how easy it is to make and how good it is. The chili cheese bite, what we get outside, is just plain chili cheese. Now I'm going to just add a twist in the recipe. So I had some potatoes and I'm going to add in some Indian spice as well. So it's going to be an Irish Indian chili cheese bites. Now I'm going to show you all the ingredients needed to make this recipe. I have some potatoes here. I'm going to take about 4 or 5 of them. And there is some coriander leaves. And there's some coriander seeds as well. It has a beautiful flavor when it's mixed with the potatoes. There's some corn and some salt, black pepper, some chili flakes, depending on how spicy you want it. I'm going to add a good bit because my boys love the chilies, and oregano. And also we need some breadcrumbs, corn flour, some mozzarella cheese, and some grated cheddar cheese as well. So I have about 5 potatoes here. I'm just going to cook them first to start with the recipe. Now I have the boiled potatoes peeled here, so I'm just going to mash it up nicely. Now I've mashed up the potatoes. I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients and I'll show you how exactly it's done. That's the coriander seeds. Now I'm adding in the crushed coriander seeds. And there's a beautiful flavor. And I'm going to add in the corn and a bit of salt. Now I'm going to add in the crushed chilies, which I bought in Tesco, as I said earlier. A little bit of brown pepper and some oregano. And at last, I'm going to add in the coriander leaves. Now I'm going to add in some grated cheddar, just a handful. And finally, I'm going to add in some corn flour, about 2 spoons of corn flour. Just going to give it a good mix. Now I'm going to show you the final step to make the chili cheese balls. I'm just going to flatten it a little bit. I'm going to put some mozzarella inside. Just going to wrap it around. Just make it like a tiny little ball. When you're done, you're just going to put it in the batter, the smooth batter. Now I'm going to put it in the breadcrumbs. And repeat the process for the rest of the recipe. Now I've prepared a few chili cheese potato bites. I'm just going to deep fry them now. I have a deep pan here and I poured in some sunflower oil and it's ready to be fried. I'm just going to wait until the oil is really hot and then I'm going to deep fry it. Now the oil is really hot. I'm going to deep fry these. Just gonna put it in slowly. Now I'm turning on the other side to make sure it's well cooked on all sides and wait until it's golden brown before you take it out. Now I'm going to turn off the stove. It's golden brown on all sides, so it's ready to be taken out. Now the chili cheese potato bites is ready to be tasted. Either you can have it from some ketchup or some sweet chili sauce. I'm just going to try it from ketchup now. Now somebody is here to try my Irish chili cheese potato bites. Just going to try it now. Look at that. Ooh. Arjun, that's yours.
Wait, I'm gonna have one as well. So,
Really good.
it's really crunchy.
Crunchy outside, potato, soft potato inside, the spices, it's brilliant.
It's so good. The potatoes are nice.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please subscribe to My Family Taxi for more exciting videos. Bye!